Hello everyone, we are Team Solo Coder from Chitkara University. We all know cryptocurrency is the future of finance, but let's be honest, it's a chaotic. For a new investor, looking at a Bitcoin chart feels like reading a foreign language. The market is volatile, unpredictable, and frankly scary. That's why we built Crypto Price Predictor AI, a hybrid intelligent dashboard. We didn't just build a price tracker, we built a financial advisor that lives in your browser. Our goal was simple to bridge the gap between complex raw data into actionable financial insight. We want to create a tool that tells you not just what the price is, but where it's going and why.
Thanks to build such a powerful AI, we needed a robust and scalable foundation. And now let me walk you through our tech stack. For our backend, we choose Flask. It's lightweight, incredibly fast, and serves as the perfect bridge between our AI model and the user. For our front end, we we used Tailwind CSS to create modern glass morphism look UI that looks beautiful on any device. It features a seamless dark mode for nighttime trading. For data, we integrated the Yahoo Finance library. This gives us direct access to real-time global market data without any rate limits, ensuring our model always trains for the freshest information available. We also use SQLite for secure serverless data storage.
Hi, I developed the machine learning engineering behind the crypto prediction platform. To understand highly volatile crypto market, I built a using stack bidirectional LSTM model with attention so that AI can learn long-term price terms and focus on most important market movements. I engineered 20 plus technologies, trading indicators like RSI, MACD, boiling bands, ATR, and OBV, giving the model expert level insight into momentum, volatile, and volume. We trained on 3 years of historical data with a 60 days pattern window and used advanced technique like robust scaling, dropout, batch normalization, and learning rate scheduling for stability and accuracy. The model predicts a next day price deliver with confidence score and supports multiple cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, SOL, and more, fully integrated into a Flask backend for real-time results. In short, I built the AI that turns chaotic crypto data into actionable predictions. Thank you.
But numbers alone aren't enough. Telling a user Bitcoin will be a X amount is useless if they don't know why. That is where our true innovation shines. We bridged our LSTM model with generative AI powered by OpenAI's GPT-4o. When our LSTM generates a number, our system automatically prompts GPT-4o to act as an AI financial analyst. It interprets that data and generates a simple human readable summary telling you if the trend is bullish or bearish. It's like having a Wall Street expert sitting right next to you. In conclusion, Solo Coder isn't just a predicting prices. We are demonstrating financial intelligence. We are combining the precision of deep learning with the clarity of generative AI to make crypto accessible to everyone. Thank you.